Hey my babies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Riahjay, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, my babies, it will be a vlog. It will be a vlog. Today we're here at the beach.
Yeah!
And
We're not at the pool now, we're at the beach.
this is where we are. So we're gonna find us a good spot.
Yep.
And we're gonna sit out. Look at Wookie's there. We got us some food. We got us some food because we're hungry. This is the toys and everything.
Oh my gosh.
So here we are. Woo! Come on. Come on. Can you walk on the sand? You don't do that. Walk regular. Stop it. How many times you been to the beach? So look at this girl, man. So yeah, today's Saturday, and I planned for me and my baby to come to the beach today because I said, you know what? I've been waiting for this rain to clear up. If you ain't from New York, New York has been wilding out with this weather. You know, it's been raining and showering and all. You know, so sometimes the rain and all of that, you know, prevents us from going out to go and have a beach day, you know, and go to the pool because it's been just so rainy, you know. But we're here today and we're so excited, and this is what today is going to be about. We're going to get out here. It's not in the 90s today. The high is what, 86. I got on my one piece. So I will be taking off my dress. Wookie got on her two-piece. So we're gonna get us a good spot and we're gonna get in there.
I'm putting my dress up because I don't want sand on my dress.
You're not getting sand in your dress, babe. You're good.
But the sand is a little bit deep.
So this is what we're doing today. I'm gonna show you all the water. This is Brighton Beach. So I can't wait to get my camera because people be looking at me now like, what the fuck is she doing? You know, with the camera all in her face. But little do you know, I'm a vlogger. You know, I vlog my life. So you know, we don't pay attention to those kind of people. We are about happiness, peace, and love. So I gotta find my spot, y'all. Just a second. Right here. We're good right here. Right here. We're good now. No, we were more down. We were more down that way. Look, down that way some more. But we're here now. I know y'all see us. Yes, we are.
This tower's gonna be really big.
Okay.
Mommy, is the sand hot?
No, babe. It's nice. Take your stuff off.
Okay. Oh yeah, the sand is a little warm.
I want y'all to see me.
Yeah.
Do y'all see me? Okay. Come on, give me your shoe on the end. Give me one shoe here. Go ahead, put it on the tip. On the tip. Come here. On the tip. Get mine and get me on the other side. Take no sand out. What are you doing? Go around. Get mine. Come here. On the tip. One. And on the tip. Come on the tip. Come here. You want to take a dip?
Yeah.
Take the stuff off. I told you that already. You're supposed to unclip that. Come on. Go. You can go. Get this stuff settled. Congratulations. Okay. We still going? Yeah, we still going. I took off my dress, you guys, so this is me. That's Woogie Whoop. So we're here, so I'm just, I got everything together. This is our area right here. So I'm still getting things together. Just a minute. Did you go in?
Yeah, I went.
You wet your feet? Okay, so what you can do is we're gonna come on this side and eat because when we get wet and we want to chill out.
Mommy, I want to play over here because I was playing on that side.
This is your toys, hat can go in the bag.
Mom, I don't need that because this is going to be like my statue in there.
So
In the purse. What did I find in there? Nothing. I just found some sticks. There's sticks here. A lot of sticks.
that's your toys. You can touch your toys.
Yay!
After you eat because you don't want to get sandy.
Put some music on because this is
No, I need to eat first.
okay.
So,
Mommy, I'm taking the sand like some dog.
So this is what we got, you guys. We have our food. So we're gonna eat. And cause we're hungry. I was waiting for the baby. To wake up and stuff this morning, So we didn't leave as early as we normally leave, which is like 8 o'clock, like 7, 8 o'clock. But we're here now. It's like lunchtime, and we're gonna be here all day because that's what we do. And okay. So where's the water at? So why aren't you not sitting your butt down? Come sit down because you're gonna get sand on our stuff. No, not that way. Right here. You're supposed to sit down. You already put sand on the thing. Sit your butt. Bring the waters this way. Okay. So what we gonna do, get that bag, man. Give me that bag, the plastic bag. We had the waters on it. So this is what I wanted to do. So yeah, we're gonna start eating now, you guys. This is our food. Look what we got. We just got chicken and fries and 2 chicken wings here on the side. So we're gonna start eating, then we're gonna enjoy our time here at the beach. What's going on with us? We're just chilling, we can't complain. Wookie, you can start eating, Wookie. You're sitting there, you can eat. Here, here's your ketchup. You start squeezing your ketchup on your fries. Switch hands, put the ketchup in this hand. Now squeeze So, we're so excited to just be out the house, y'all. Just be out the house, it's not raining. We're gonna be on this beach today, enjoying ourselves. It's like I said, the weather's not here in the 80s. The weather's here in the in the 90s. The weather's about 85. I'm gonna get me out a workout today because that's what I do. I work out and make all the bitches jealous. The bitches just be looking at me like, I can't believe she working out on the beach. I work out wherever the fuck I want to work out. You know what I'm saying? And you deal with that. Also, yeah, we're just so peaceful. This is our day today. I spoke to my honey this morning. We had an actually really great conversation yesterday, y'all. We had a really great heart to heart, and it was beautiful because it it was like, y'all know all the stuff that I was, you know, I've been explaining to y'all, you know, about me and his situation, and you know how I just want things to work, and how, you know, I'm not one to waste time, and you know, just all the other things that's going on. But basically, yeah, y'all, we just had a great heart to heart, you know, and I feel really happy about it. He feels happy about it. You know, so this morning I called him when we were on our way to the train, and he was like, I was like, yeah, you know, me and the baby, we on our way to the beach. And he was like, oh, that's nice, you know, have a good time and stuff like that, you know. So that's what's going on. I got the 12-piece chicken tenders with fries.
Mom, you can eat the chicken. I'm gonna eat the french fries.
No, we're sharing. What are you talking about? Why are you not eating chicken? It's chicken, the chicken fingers. Eat it, it's chicken. Why are you acting like that? You want chicken wing? Do you want a chicken wing? Why are you acting like that? You said you wanted chicken and fries, didn't you? So why would you not eat it? Hmm? Good. You're supposed to eat. Come on. Don't give me a hard time. Oh yeah, so I stopped talking because I started eating. Yeah, I'm hungry. I didn't eat nothing today, but I mean, I made a bowl of oatmeal, but I didn't eat it all. Because the minute it finished cooling down, she woke up. So we just started getting ready. She talking about she ain't eating no chicken. Girl, please. I asked her what you want. I said, you want pizza? Do you want... Oh my God. Look at me looking. I done spilled hot sauce on the sheet. Let me back this up. She told me, you know, she told me what she wanted, which was chicken and fries. So, I just want y'all to know, my babies, that regardless of what's going on and what's happening, Riahjay would not leave you all. Y'all are my babies. You know, y'all the reason why, you know, y'all the reason why I do what I do, because I know that I have a voice, you know, and I know that my voice is very powerful. It's very powerful. It's very strong. It's very intelligent, you know, and it's opening doors for things that everybody wants to keep the doors closed on, you know, and I don't agree with that. Man, I can go on about life and politics and fucking, you know, the ghetto and police brutality. I can go on, you know. I can talk about so many different things. I can talk about, you know, all of these allegations that's going on these days, you know. I can talk about everything, you know. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out, you know, where Riahjay wants to be in her life. Of course, Riahjay wants all the things that I feel most women want, you know, and that's to be a wife, you know, and that's to have your family, and that's to be successful. And